कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the
UMP Ketua Parliamentary Seat batakaran ting menteri rangba ke Jila Assam persya ke Niam ni ke jingai ke Kerestan usalang sang mau lakin thok kala bu uday beladan ke jing Ktah Khlieh. Habakran mikla pathai ke bor usalang muluang bohimanta Biswa Sarma hakapore lap election ulakran chapang ke Niam bar haswa jang kataru ulale ishibo na ke benta kirat ba ke bidai Muslim na Assam.
You see, some CM himself has talked about the religious during the election. Have you not seen that one? That they will try to do away. You have already seen about how Assam CM has already done away with all those religious areas. Okay, now why to talk much about it? Because I think he's becoming a little bit of mentally disorder. He himself has talked about the religion during the election campaign, and before that also he has done away with lots of Muslim communities. You have seen it openly. So why he is blaming the religion right now? He should not have blamed it, I think. That's why I'm telling you, he might be having some mental disorder regarding this one.
How can you say that?
He himself is repeating the same which he has already spoken against it before. You have already seen it. He said that he doesn't need Mia, he doesn't need this and that. He was speaking openly against, the functioning of this particular religious doctrine. Now, how can he speak that, that Meghalaya or like Manipur, Nagaland has played those kind of role? That's why. This is the simple reason.